Hey guys, it's Mary, and I have the auto ship. I think it's number 2 for Anna Griffin that just arrived the other day, and it's part of the flower shop. This is auto shop number 2, and this one is a wishing well. And how cute is this? Let me see if I can get this. Here we go. How cute is this wishing well? Just adorable. And look at the little roses in the pot. So let's see what we've got here. Let me take everything out. This is number 2 of the auto ships. And I think there's one more, and it is going to be a, I think it's a tri-level fountain. So that's going to be cool. So it's got all the flowers, different flowers. All the different sayings, sending well wishes, wishing you well, cute, thank you. You know, all the extras that, you know, always come with Anna's stuff. Index card, or not index card. What's it called? What is it called? It's a stopper, and you can write on it. Paper. This is pretty, like that one. Then we've got the plain. Then we've got a more kind of Italian looking, I think, flowers. Then we got the blue, the green, another kind of bluish chili color, and then a plain. And then we've got gold. Kind of a matte gold, but it's kind of like a linen look. It's real pretty, real pretty. So if you hear that noise, that blowing, that's the air conditioning, of course. Waves. I've been up here for a while, and it just decided to turn on as soon as I decided to do a video. But it is very muggy and hot here in Central California, and it is actually sprinkling outside, but it's 96 and raining. So, let's see if I can get this back in here. Listen, it's quiet. All right, and the best part is the die, and oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this wishing well is. Oh my goodness. So you've got the wishing well. Let me see what this is. All right. Okay, so this is the back of the easel. All right. So you've got the pieces. You got the card base, the easel, the shadow layer, the top layer of the fountain, the embellishments to make it like 3D. And then it shows you how to score the lines, adhere, and then add. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. These are just gorgeous. I prefer, I can tell right away, I'm gonna prefer it with either the gold or a solid background. I don't like this pattern in the background. It's distracting. You know, there's so much always going on with Anna's cards that, see, it's so much better with just a plain background. So look at all these beautiful flowers. They've got butterflies. I just love it. Just love it. I like it in the gold. I like the way they did it here. I think out of the 3 so far, this is my favorite. And I know that this is the one I was looking most forward to when I ordered. This one's a pretty one. Love that. Just love it. I remember seeing this paper. Are these two-sided? Did I miss that? Yes, indeed they are. Good, so there's green, green print, pink. There's those leaves, another green print. That's a nice subtle one. Lavender. Lavender print. And then this one's not bad because it kind of is blended in. So, all right, so excellent, good to know. So I'm pretty excited about this. Let's measure how big this is going to be. I know these, where it is. All right. So this wishing well is just the well itself, not with the background, is a little over, just a little over 6.5 inches tall. And at its widest, a little over 4.5. So it's definitely gonna take a 5x7 card and envelope. Let me see what size these are. These are much bigger. So that's good. These must be 6x8. Let me measure. 6x8, right. All right, so these are 6x8, and so are the gold. So that's good. All right, so we've got the well, we've got the paper. We've got all the stoppers, we've got the sentiments, we've got all the flowers and the goodies. This is just going to be wonderful. I have not done the other ones, but I am going to do this one first because I am in love with this wishing well. So I will do a video when I make the wishing well. I'll put that on the list for the next week or so to get that done so we can see what it's going to look like, because it looks absolutely gorgeous. So, all right, so that's it. Finishing school, Anna Griffith's Wishing Well. So let me know in comments if you picked this up as a single. I don't know if it was a signal. I know that Crafter's Companion, you can get them as singles. I don't know if this ever came as a single. God, I can't even talk. So let me know if you picked it up, and let me know if you've made any of the original or this or the first auto ship. So anyway, that's it. So pretty. Reminds me of Snow White. Oh, I could do a Disney page. We just went to Disneyland. I'll have to work on that. All right, so that's it. So thanks for stopping by and watching. If you have not subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button and the bell, and that will send you notifications. Also, there's a like button, so if you like the video, I really appreciate if you would hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these sets. Let me know if you're an Anna Griffin fan. I don't do a lot of her stuff. I've done her Christmas cards I've gotten a couple of years ago, and I've got some dies. And I got the castle, which from a while ago, which I still have not used. But there are some things I can't pass up like this. So I'm pretty happy. All right, so that's it. So leave me a comment. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.